Hello friends, today's topic stocks at high valuation, sign of market correction question mark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Another new lifetime high for markets today. It has been a spectacular rally after the fall on 4th June on the date of election results were announced. Most of the stocks have done well in the last 1 month. However, a large number of individual stocks have been touching new lifetime highs the last few days. P ratio gives us a rough idea of how the valuation of a company is currently based on company's profitability. Although there is no reason for market correction as of now, the higher valuations of individual stocks increases the chances of small corrections at some time. Price to earning ratio or P ratio is equal to market price of the share divided by earnings per share. Usually, P ratio is compared to the 5 or 10-year average of the stock's P ratio to understand how the stock price is trading currently compared to its historical valuations. If it is trading above the long-term average P ratio, it means that the stock price currently is more expensive and vice versa. The following is the data from Economic Times research. Valuations of some large companies. 1. Reliance Industries, current P ratio 30.2, average P ratio of 3 years 28, average P ratio of 5 years 27.5. 2. HDFC Bank, current P ratio 4.7, average P ratio of 3 years 3.3 and average P ratio of 5 years 3.5. 3. ICICI Bank, current P ratio 4, average P ratio of last 3 years 3.1, average P ratio of 5 years 2.8. 4. SBI, current P ratio 1.9, average P ratio of 3 years 1.6, average P ratio of 5 years 1.4. 5. ITC, current P ratio 26.1, average P ratio of 3 years 24.4, average P ratio of 5 years 22.2. For banks, price to book value has been taken since it is more appropriate. Now going further, valuation of some large companies. 6. L&T, current P ratio 38.1, average P ratio of 3 years 30.8, average P ratio of 5 years 24.9. 7. HCL Tech, current P ratio 25.6, average P ratio of 3 years 23.6, average P ratio of 5 years 20.8. Axis Bank, current P ratio 3.1, average P ratio of 3 years 2.1, average P ratio of 5 years 2.1. 9. Sun Pharma, current P ratio 38.4, average P ratio of 3 years 30.6, average P ratio of 5 years 28.7. 10. NTPC, current P ratio 17.4, average P ratio of 3 years 10.9, average P ratio of 5 years 9.7. Apart from these stocks, there may be many other stocks trading at a high valuation higher than 3 to 5 year average P ratio. If the market and individual stocks rises further, this list will have many more names in the coming days. On an overall index level, Nifty 50 index is in overbought zone based on RSI. For information, we are keeping the graph of Nifty 50. The RSI level is 72.4, which is almost like a overbought situation. There is a higher chance of some correction when RSI of a stock or index crosses 70. So watch out for RSI, especially if you are holding some stocks for short-term trades, since you may get the sell indication. There is a correction in the Nifty 50 index. At the end of the video, here is the question. Are you regretting that you missed investing a larger amount in the previous months for long term? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.